Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're exploring a design philosophy that has captured hearts around the globe: Minimalist Scandinavian house design. It's a style that's about more than just aesthetics. It's about a way of life that values simplicity, functionality, and a deep connection to nature. So, what exactly is a minimalist Scandinavian house design? At its core, it's an architectural style that combines the core principles of Scandinavian design: simplicity, functionality, and a focus on natural elements, with the less is more philosophy of minimalism. These homes are characterized by clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a bright, airy feel. The design emphasizes natural light, often through large windows and open floor plans, and uses a neutral color palette of whites, grays, and black. A key feature is the use of natural materials, particularly light-toned wood, to add warmth and a touch of organic texture, creating a home that feels both modern and incredibly cozy. Why would you choose a minimalist Scandinavian design for your home? The benefits are immense and contribute to a better quality of life. Firstly, these homes are designed for maximum natural light. In Scandinavia, where winter days are short, this is crucial for mood and well-being. Large windows and open layouts ensure the home is filled with light, creating a bright and positive living environment. Secondly, the design promotes functionality and a sense of calm. By removing clutter and focusing on essential, high-quality items, the home becomes a tranquil sanctuary. This decluttered approach reduces stress and makes the home easier to maintain. Thirdly, the style's emphasis on natural and sustainable materials like wood, wool, and linen makes it an eco-friendly choice. Finally, a minimalist Scandinavian home feels timeless. Its clean aesthetic and functional design won't go out of style, making it a wise and beautiful long-term investment. Decorating the exterior of a minimalist Scandinavian home is all about complementing its simple, clean form with a touch of natural elegance. The key is to maintain a cohesive, restrained palette that doesn't overwhelm the architecture. Use a neutral color scheme with white, light gray, or black as the dominant colors. For materials, a beautiful and effective combination is to pair clean, white siding or stucco with natural wood accents, like a warm-toned wooden deck, window frames, or a section of the facade. For the roof, a classic shed style or a simple A-frame in a dark color works well. Landscaping should be simple and intentional, with a clean green lawn, strategically placed minimalist planters, or a low-maintenance garden. Avoid ornate details and complex designs. The goal is to create a seamless flow from the house to the outdoor space, making the home feel like a natural part of its environment. Now, let's turn our attention to some stunning real-world examples that beautifully showcase this design philosophy. Here are our top 10 best minimalist Scandinavian house designs to inspire your next home project. One, two-story minimalist house with white exterior and a dark shed-style roof. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have a pristine example of minimalist Scandinavian design. This two-story home features a clean white exterior and a striking, dark shed-style roof that adds a modern, angular element. The house has a simple, boxy shape with large windows and glass doors that open to a spacious, elevated wooden deck that wraps around the corner. The warm tone of the wood provides a beautiful contrast to the white facade. The home is surrounded by a lush green lawn and trees, creating a serene and inviting environment. 2. Sleek, white-clad house with a flat roof and minimalist landscaping. Coming in at number 2, this house is a masterclass in modern minimalism. The home is a sleek, rectangular volume with a uniform white exterior and a flat roof. A subtle but striking detail is the upper right section, which is clad in a contrasting dark gray or black siding. A large sliding glass door opens to a manicured lawn, and a low-profile fence defines the property line. The design is incredibly clean, simple, and intentional, proving that less is truly more when it comes to high-end architecture. 3. Rustic modern home with mixed materials and shed roof on a sloped site. At number 3, we have a multi-level house that perfectly blends a rustic feel with modern Scandinavian design. The home features a prominent, dark shed-style roof and is clad in a beautiful mix of warm, natural wood siding and black metal or siding. Large, floor-to-ceiling windows and glass doors are visible, and a wooden deck extends the living space outdoors. The house is nestled in a wooded, sloped area, and the design's material palette and form allow it to blend seamlessly into its natural surroundings. 4. Single-story house with natural wood and white siding and a shed roof. For number 4, this single-story house showcases a warm and inviting take on Scandinavian design. The elongated structure has a shed-style roof and a charming exterior clad in a mix of light, natural wood siding and clean white panels. The home features large, dark-framed windows that contrast beautifully with the light facade. A wooden deck provides a perfect spot for outdoor living, and the house is surrounded by a green lawn and a forest, creating a harmonious and peaceful retreat. 5. Minimalist house with a stone wall and dark wood siding. Our 5th spot presents a home that beautifully combines different natural materials. The exterior is a stunning mix of dark, vertical wood siding and a rustic, natural stone wall section. The house has a shed roof and a large deck with a simple railing. A glass door opens to the deck, which is surrounded by lush green lawn and garden. This design perfectly balances the sleekness of modern architecture with the timeless appeal of natural, textured materials. 6. Modern A-frame cabin with a black exterior and glass facade. Coming in at number 6, we have a modern A-frame cabin that embodies the cozy yet minimalist aesthetic. The house has a bold, black exterior with a steep, sloping roof. The entire front facade is a large glass wall, which floods the interior with natural light and offers a direct connection to the surrounding forest. A small wooden deck provides a perfect perch for enjoying the natural views. This design is a fresh and stylish take on a classic cabin style. 7. Two-story white house with a flat roof and elevated wooden deck. At number 7, this house is a beautiful example of a minimalist home with a geometric form. The two-story structure has a clean, white plastered or stuccoed exterior and a flat roof. It features a prominent, elevated wooden deck with a glass railing, which adds a warm, natural element to the otherwise white facade. Large, floor-to-ceiling windows and doors are visible, ensuring a light-filled interior. The home is surrounded by a tidy, green lawn, completing its clean and serene aesthetic. 8. Multi-level house with mixed siding, shed roof, and glass deck. For number 8, we have a multi-level, boxy house that sits beautifully on a sloped, rocky terrain. The home is clad in a striking mix of warm, natural wood siding and dark metal or siding. A prominent shed-style roof adds a modern, angular element. The house has large windows and a spacious, elevated deck with a glass railing, providing an unobstructed view of the surrounding landscape. The design is both functional and visually dynamic. 9. Cozy, single-story white house with a covered wooden patio. Taking the 9th spot is a charming, single-story house with a classic minimalist Scandinavian look. The exterior is a uniform, clean white with a dark, sloped roof. The home features large windows and a wonderful covered patio area with a wooden deck, which is perfect for enjoying the outdoors in any weather. The house is surrounded by a lush green lawn and garden, creating a peaceful and welcoming environment. 10. Ultramodern house with dark wood siding, white accents, and a flat roof. And finally, at number 10, we present a stunning and ultramodern house that exudes a high-end minimalist feel. The exterior is a beautiful mix of dark, horizontal wood siding and clean white accents, with a flat roof. The home has a striking, clean design with large windows and a wooden deck. It is surrounded by a minimalist, manicured lawn with a stone path and a privacy wall, making it a perfect example of sophisticated and intentional design. And there you have it, 10 incredible minimalist Scandinavian house designs that show how beauty, functionality, and simplicity can be combined to create a truly inspiring home. This style is a testament to the idea that a peaceful and beautiful life often begins with a serene and intentional space. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best minimalist Scandinavian house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.